Hi, James. Let's play a little game. I will ask you some simple questions in English, and you answer. Are you ready? Let's start. What is your name?
My name is James.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from London.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English a little.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What is your favorite food?
I like pasta.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like nasheeds and pop music.
Do you like films?
Yes, I love films.
What is your favorite film?
My favorite film is The Lion King.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure books.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite country?
My favorite country is France.
Do you like swimming in the sea?
Yes, it is fun.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I like cooking rice.
Have you ever been to Manchester?
Yes, I have been to Manchester.
What is your favorite city in the UK?
My favorite city is Edinburgh.
Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, I like walking in the park.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
My cat's name is Milo.
Do you like watching football?
Yes, I enjoy watching football.
Which football team do you support?
I support Arsenal.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What is your favorite place to relax?
My favorite place is the park.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, yes.
What is your favorite Eid celebration?
My favorite Eid is Eid al-Fitr.
Do you like tea with milk or without milk?
I like tea with milk.
Can you play the piano?
No, I cannot play the piano.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What is your favorite painting?
My favorite painting is Van Gogh's Starry Night.
Do you like going to museums?
Yes, I enjoy museums.
What is your favorite museum?
My favorite museum is the British Museum.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like snow.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak a little French.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What is your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Marks and Spencer.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, I read newspapers every day.
Do you enjoy walking in the city?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love photography.
Do you enjoy gardens?
Yes, I like gardens.
Have you visited Oxford?
Yes, I have visited Oxford.
Do you like studying history?
Yes, I enjoy history.
Do you like going to the theater?
Yes, I love the theater.
What is your favorite play?
My favorite play is Romeo and Juliet.
Do you like coffee shops?
Yes, I like coffee shops.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Can you cook breakfast?
Yes, I can cook breakfast.